So really, and if you're a GP, make sure that you invest properly in the asset management and the operations. Do not underestimate the level of effort it takes to really operate well. Question number 6 is there the right team in place to operate the property successfully? Now, Apple's Way scaled to 3,200 units in like 2 years. Now, that's impressive. I'm a little jealous, actually. But the question is, did they have the operations to scale that fast? I don't know, but based on what appears to happen, my only conclusion is that the answer is no. They didn't have the team in place, but because they weren't able to actually operate those properties. Otherwise, the pool wouldn't have been green, the trash wouldn't have piled up, and there wouldn't be tenant complaints and lawsuits happening, right? So it appears that they did not have the operations. At Nighthawk, which is our investment company where we buy apartment buildings and operate apartments, we have found that the hard work really in this business is operating and executing the business plan. And it's absolutely critical. Like back when I was flipping houses, you would always say, oh, you make money when you buy, which is true for flipping houses. But in apartment buildings, you only make money when you operate. Right? You're not making money if you don't operate well. And so good operators, they have to focus on building the proper capacity to ensure the highest likelihood of delivering on the projected returns to investors. So really, and if you're a GP, make sure that you invest properly in the asset management and the operations. Do not underestimate the level of effort it takes to really operate well. And if you're an LP, make sure that whoever operator you invest with has a team that's capable of handling the scale if they're scaling very fast. So don't scale faster than your operations. And if that means that you need to pause the acquisitions machine for a little while, so be it. So again, as an LP, ask the operator for the track record. Who's on their team? Who does what? You know, if you're an LP and you're looking for track record, and it's a new partnership, it's not the end of the world, okay? Because joint ventures happen all the time. But in that case, then you want to understand what the partners have done individually. What is their individual track record? Again, if the team that you're investing with does not have a collective track record, just be mindful that it raises the risk a little bit more than a team that's already been established for a number of years. Ask who has control, right? Sometimes you have like 10 partners in a deal and you're like, my gosh, how do you vote? And who also has the ultimate control? Who's the majority partner here? Also ask about the track record of the property manager. That's really, really critical. And because at the end of the day, the entire deal really depends on the quality of the team. So if you're a GP, really focus on putting together that team really well. And if you're an LP, really just focus on that team.